Hello, beautiful family. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's the Fin here with worldwide opportunity. We have remote job worldwide. Yes, you can work from anywhere, regardless where you are, India, Canada, um, Africa. So anywhere you are, you can apply to these positions. I have different positions. Stay tuned up to the end. Maybe you can find something that you are looking for. Okay. So now, starting with number one, go to your Google browser, write Hey Carson. You will see this website. Yes, Hey Carson. Click here. This is the company. Yes, Hey Carson is hiring and they have 5 star. Okay, review. More than 200 review with 5 star. Yes, faster than agents, more reliable than freelancer. Go down here and click here to careers. All right, so you will see let's work together, join Hey Carson. Yes, click here, check the open positions. If you click here, so now you can see, would you be missing pieces of our team? Check out our open position. Yes, you can see front end developer, remote customer success agent. So you can click anything you want, guys. So they are hiring worldwide. Yeah, they are hiring worldwide and you can apply to these positions. As you can see, they say totally global, remote, breaking down geographical barriers, work from anywhere. So you can see work-life balance, professional growth, and so many more. So I can assure you that this is worldwide. Yes, as you can see, customer success agent, let's see the skills required: perfect command of written English, great communication, analytical mindset, solid understanding, solid knowledge of e-commerce functionality, familiarity with this. Okay, personal characteristics as well, high organized and attentive, adaptable, and so many more. Yeah, if you're interested, click here. Now, going on to this front end developer, let's see the skills. They want you to have this knowledge: CSS or HTML, yes, comfortable with JavaScript, solid understanding of Shopify technology, solid understanding of e-commerce functionality, and perfect command of written English. Yes, personal characteristic. This is personal characteristic. You can read through all that. So that is number one. Hey, Carson are hiring to work globally, to work from anywhere. Yes, going on to this next job we have. So you can see we have this horizon. They are hiring globally. Yes, get started hiring remote worker without opening any entities. Hire and pay talented anywhere in 24 hours. You can see hire and pay talent anywhere in 24 hours. Global payroll and benefits, automated, global compliance, and guaranteed. Okay, this is the website. You can find the jobs. If you click here get started, you will see the information and everything. But guys, if you click here on careers, you'll see find your dream job at Horizon. This is the color. If you go to your Google browse and write Horizon, you'll see the website in yellow and black, and then click here apply. You will see Horizon. They have so many jobs, and this was founded in 2019. Yes, and they are reading employment. They have so many jobs, and you can work from anywhere. There is this job position opening. There is this engineer read in Portugal. There is this finance remote. You can apply to this finance remote. You can apply to this correction specialist. You can see staff accountant. Yes, in India. You can see legal advisor in Africa. Yes, legal advisor remote. They have so many positions, guys. You can visit and see if what you are looking for is there. All right, yeah. For example, if you click maybe this cash and payable playlist, you can see if you're interested adding to our vision of enabling people to work in a dream job for every company and from anywhere in the world. Scroll down to apply. Yes, if you are interested, no matter where you are, you can scroll down and apply. About this role, more about the role and responsibility. Here they are. Responsibility. Let's see. Let's see where what the important things that I can tell you to make sure you include in your CV. All right, and always advise you to use ChatGPT. Copy the job description and paste in ChatGPT, and tell ChatGPT to form you the CV. Okay, that is pretty much simple. If you give ChatGPT the information, if you would like to see me doing that, I made a video about that. But guys, if you are first time here, you can just write down in the comment and let me know if you're interested to see how you can form CV with ChatGPT and put all the description point mentioned in the job description. Yes, for example, more about this role and core responsibility, input of all AP payment invoices, record and track all position and cash up management while providing overall completed payroll, reach and management of day-to-day payment across the globe, ensure timely and efficient processing of automized AP, invoice, and cash. So this is all about payroll, guys. If you find yourself into this, yes, go ahead and apply. Yes, the role will be great fit for you if you have a bachelor in accountant, 2 years of experience, yes, aptitude of math, excellent communication skills, computer literacy, excellent in Excel, general knowledge of accounting principles, and so many more. Yeah, you can apply to this position, or if you have any question, you can still write to this email, hiringjoinhorizon.com. So all this job can be found on horizon.com. All right, so yes, going on to another website, we have this weworkremotely.com. This is a very popular website where you can find the jobs every single day. Let's see today what they have. Freelancer content writer. Yes, as you can see, this job was posted September 4th as I speak. Liner, remote freelancer content writer. You can see, see the all other remotes. US only. This is for US only. Yeah, you can see. I thought it's a work from anywhere. Let me go back. Yeah, they say it's only US and Canada only. But if you go to this one, UX research analyst and writer is to work globally. And this job, only 26 applicants have applied and it was posted on September 6th. As you can see, this is pretty much for you guys who are watching this video. Yes, go ahead and apply to this remote UX research analyst and writer. Okay, there is qualification, but guys, if you are familiar with this content writing, yes, you are having real CV in hand, you know how to market yourself in your CV. Yeah, go ahead and apply. The deadline is gonna be October 1st, 2023, the end of the day. This is gonna be the deadline of these job openings. Okay, so going on other things they have, senior Microsoft Power BI developer, you can read, but this one is for Latin American only, Europe only, and things like that. So yeah, guys, if you are familiar, let's say freelancer 3D, September 1st, only 43 applicants have applied. Remote freelancer 3D model and texture artist, Oriental, puppy, flower, mention. You can work from anywhere in the world. Yeah, they have so many positions, guys. Yes, go ahead and apply to all these positions. All right. Yeah, let's see this one. Freelancer editor, US only. It was posted on August 3rd, 13th. Okay, yeah, for data engineer, you can work from anywhere. Tagos are hiring. Yes, Tagos are the company which is always hiring. So, moving on to our last and favorite website, simplyhired.com. Yes, maybe you want data entry jobs. Yeah, it's always better you filter within 24 hours and see maybe typist is hiring. This is the company. So this is the position, typist. They want typist, and the company is still City Media. They are hiring remote, and you can see they pay up to $29 per hour. And this job was posted 1 hour ago as I make the video. Qualification: word processing, English, high school diploma, data entry, computer skills, and so many more. Yes, customer service representative. This is the company MR Appliance. They are located in this. This is their location. Yes, they want customer service representative. You can see the qualification: customer service, computer skills, communication skills, data entry. Yes, and they have benefits as well. So if you are looking for those kind of jobs, if you want maybe a virtual assistant, yeah, it's always better if you filter and search to this website. You will always find a job. Okay, so for example, this is it. This job is recruiting an onboarding assistant. This is the company and evors.com, and they are hiring. Okay, this job was posted 3 hours ago. So, guys, I'm encouraging you to visit this website and find the job that you are looking for every single day. Remember to subscribe and turn on all the notifications because I have so many websites to show you to apply. Yes, keep sharing with your friends. There are so many positions. Maybe if you don't find this one, your friend might get something. There is part-time job, there are full-time jobs, there is jobs where you can work in the weekend as well. Yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I don't want to hold you for long. Yes. Um, yeah, have a great time. See you next time. Bye bye.